Hello friends, Standard 7. Now on page number 8 we are doing try this. Okay, I hope that all of you have written whatever we have done in the previous videos. पहले वाले वीडियो में जो भी हमने करवाया था मैंने कराया था आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा. Okay, you have to write and I will check it. Now try this we are doing. Write pair of integers whose sum gives नेगेटिव इंटीजर. मतलब ऐसे दो इंटीजर्स को बताओ जिसको प्लस करेंगे तो नेगेटिव आएगा. सपोज वी आर राइटिंग -1 प्लस -2. सो आंसर इज व्हाट -3. सो सम ऑफ -1 and -2 is -3. Then 0. Sum of two integers is 0. How it is possible? If we take opposite numbers, right, anything inverse, then their sum will be 0. 2 plus -2, that is equal to 0, right? And integers smaller than both the integers. Sum of two integers should be answer smaller than both the integers. Suppose we are writing 10 plus -3. Integers smaller than both the integers. Sum of two integers smaller than both the integers, right? If we write -3 and -2, that is equal to -5, right? So sum of two integers is smaller than both the integers. -5 is smaller than -2 and -3 both, right? An integer greater than both the integers. Suppose we are writing 2 plus 3, so answer is 5. 5 is greater than both 2 and 3, right? Write a pair of integers whose difference gives negative integer. Difference should be negative. Suppose we are writing 2 minus 3, so -1, right? So difference of 2 and 3 is negative. Then difference of two numbers is 0. If we write both opposite numbers, right? Suppose we are writing 10 minus 10. Difference of 10 and 10 is 0. So if we take the difference of the same number with it, then answer will be 0. Otherwise it will not be 0. An integer smaller than both the integers, right? So -2 and -3. If we write, then smaller than both the integers, so -5. So difference between -2 and 3 is -5, right? So -5 is smaller than -2 and 3, right? An integer greater than only one of the integer. If you write 2 minus 3, right? So it will be what? -1. Integer greater than only one of the integer. -1 is greater than -1 is greater than 2? No. -1 is greater than 3? No. Suppose we write -2 and -3. -2 and -3 we write. So then it will be -2 plus 3. And that is equal to +1. And +1 is an integer greater than only one of the integers. So 1 is greater than both the integers, greater than only one, it is written. Suppose we write 2 minus -3, so 2 plus 3, so it will be 5, it will be greater than both the integers. Suppose we write -2 minus -3, so -2 plus 3 is +1, and that is greater than. Now we are doing this. First we are doing if an integer greater than both the integers, right? Suppose we are writing -2 minus -3, so -2 plus 3, that is equal to +1. +1 is greater than -2 and -3 both. Okay. Now here we are doing what? We are doing something else, something other thing, some other thing. An integer greater than only one of the integer. We have to take difference between two. Suppose we are writing -5 plus 7. Minus 7 we are writing. Minus 7. So -5 plus 7, that is equal to 2. And minus 2 is greater than -5 also, and suppose we are writing 2 is greater than 5. 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5. Right, 2 is less than 5, but 2 is greater than -7. Right, what is written? Integer greater than only one of the integers. Right, so 2 is less than 5, but it is greater than -7. Right, so 5 plus 7, it will be 12. So again 12. If you want 5 and -7, if you want -5 and -5 and plus 7, right? So we can say 2 is greater than -5 and 2 is also greater than -7. So what we will do? 7 minus 5 will write. Suppose if we write 7 minus 5, so it will be what? -2. 7 minus 5 is plus 2. And it will be less than both of the integers. 7 minus 5 is less than both of the integers. Okay. Then we are solving it afterwards. Okay. See what we are doing. Suppose we are taking here 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2 if we are taking here. 3 minus 1 if we are taking, right, an integer greater than only one of the integers. So 2 is greater than 1 and 2 is less than 3, right? So this is our required 3 and 1. This we can write. Also here we can what write? 11 and 13. 11, 13 and 11. 13 minus 1. No. Only 3 and 1 we can write here. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 is greater than 1, but 2 is less than 3. Again I am explaining this. Write pairs of integers whose sum gives negative integer. -1 plus -2, that is -3. So sum of -1 and -2 gives negative integer. Sum should 0. So 2 plus -2. Right? Two opposite numbers we have taken. And integer smaller than both the integers. So -2 plus -3, that is equal to -5. Right? So -5 is smaller than -2 and -3 both. Okay. Then an integer greater than both the integers. So making plus of two integers, bigger number we will get, and that will be our answer. Right? 5 is greater than 2 and 3. Then here write a pair of integers whose difference gives negative integer. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Then if we subtract two same numbers, then answer will be 0. An integer smaller than both the integers. So -2 and 3 that we have taken. Answer is -5. So -5 is less than -2 and 3 both. An integer greater than only one of the integers. So 3 minus 1 we have done. Okay. So that is equal to 2. Okay. So 2 is greater than 1, but 2 is less than 3. Right? That means subtraction of 1 from any number, that will be our answer. C. So 10 minus 11 minus 1. So 10 is greater than 1, but 10 is less than 11. Right? If we subtract 1 from any number, that will be our answer over here. Right? It will be greater than 1 number, but less than other number. Right? Suppose here write this way, we have to just think and do ourselves. Okay, an integer greater than both the integers. So minus 2 minus minus 3. So minus 2 plus 3. Integer greater than both the integers. So 1 is greater than minus 2 and minus 3 both. Right. So after this we are starting exercise 1.2. Okay. You write down this one. Then we are starting 1.2. Right. Okay, standard 7, exercise 1.2 we are starting. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Okay, we can write minus 3 plus minus 2, that is equal to minus 7. Right, minus 3 minus 2 minus 7. Difference is minus 10. We can write minus 6 minus 4, that is equal to minus 10. Right, difference between minus 6 and 4. Right, then sum is 0. Means we have to add opposite numbers. So 3 plus minus 3, that is equal to 0. Write a pair of integers whose difference is 8. Right, so minus 12 plus 20, we can pair of integers whose difference is 8. So minus 20, we can write that is equal to 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8, we can write. Okay. Write a negative and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So that are minus 6 plus 1 we can write, or we can write minus 7 plus 2, that is equal to minus 5. Right. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So minus 6 negative and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Difference. So minus negative and a positive. So we can write 9 minus 9 minus 12, we can write negative and a positive. So we can write that is minus 3. Write a negative integer. Negative integer is minus, we can write minus 12 plus 9. Right. Minus 9 plus 6 we can write, whose difference is minus 3. Negative and positive whose difference. Okay, डिफरेंस दोनों का क्या होना चाहिए, माइनस 3 होना चाहिए. सो minus 12 is right. Then what will happen if we write here minus 15 plus 12? But we have to write what here, positive integer. Okay, now here what we are doing, team A and team B. Team A and here team B. Their score are given minus 40 plus 10 plus 0, that is equal to minus 30, right? And here 10 plus 0 minus 40, that is equal to also minus 30, right? So both have same answer. In 3 successive rounds, which team score more? Both team score equal. We will write both teams score equal. And what is the third question? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So answer is yes. कोई भी ऑर्डर में प्लस करो, माइनस 40 पहले लिखो, 10 पहले लिखो, 0 लिखो, आंसर इज minus 30. बोथ हैव आंसर minus 30, right? Now this is left to think negative and a positive integer whose difference is -3. -3 हमें डिफरेंस लाना है दो नंबर का, वन पॉजिटिव एंड वन नेगेटिव नंबर. सपोज वी आर टेकिंग -5 and 2. -5 -2 if we take, so -5 plus 2, that is equal to -3, but these both are negative integers, so again we have to think about this, right? So what we will do, one negative and one positive. Okay, let me think. Okay, now -3 we want to bring. We can do what, -2 and -1, right? The difference is what, -3. Okay, -2 and 1, the difference is -3. Okay, so write down. Again I am explaining. Write down the pair of integers whose sum is -7. So -3 plus -2, that is equal to -7, right? Then difference is -10. So -6 -4, that is equal to -10. Sum is 0. So we have to take opposite numbers. 3 minus 3, 3 plus -3 is 0. Write a pair of integers whose difference is 8. So -12 -20. So 12 minus plus. So 20 minus 12 is 8. Write a pair of negative and a positive integer whose sum is -5. We can write -6 plus 1 and -7 plus 2 also we can write. Okay, write a negative and a positive. Here 1 is positive and 2 is negative. -2 is negative. Positive integer whose difference is -3. Right? In a pair, in a quiz, team A score this and team B score this. In 3 successive rounds, which team score more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? See, in team A, -40 plus 10 plus 0, that is -30. And in team B, 10 minus 10 plus 0 -40. So both have scored -30. So both teams score equal, right? Which team score more? So both teams score equal. And can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can say that we can add integers in any order, right? If you have space, I don't have space, so I have not written. If you have space, then you can write down. Yes, we can say that we can add integers in any order. We can say that we can add integers in any order. We can say that we can add integers in any order. Okay. So write down. After this, we will do question number 4. Hello friends. Now we are doing question number 4. -5 plus 8, that is equal to -8 plus dash. So -5. This is commutative property for addition. Then -53 plus dash, that is equal to 0. Right? 0 किसी में भी ऐड करो सेम नंबर आएगा. So this is additive identity. 0 is additive identity. Right? 17 plus dash, that is equal to 0. So -17 additive inverse we have written. Then 13 plus -12 plus -7. Right? What is left here? -7 is left. This is associative property for addition. Okay. -4, 15 and -3. Here -3 is left. This is also associative property. Again I am explaining. -5 plus -8, that is equal to -8 plus dash. So -8 plus -5. This is commutative property for addition. Then this 0 is additive identity. So if we add 0 to any number, answer will be same. Then if we add 2 additive inverse, then answer will be 0. 17 plus -17, answer is 0. So both are called additive inverse, 17 and -17. Then this is associative property. Here 3 numbers are given. Which is left over here? -7 is left. Here also 3 numbers are given. Which is left here? -3 left. Okay, this is what associative property for addition. Okay, right now. After this, we will do the next portion of this chapter. Okay, right now.